morning, everyone. So this is the tutorial on how to open and create, open a document, no, to create a document, sorry. So this is the icon for MS Office Word. Just double click that one. So naka-dark mode lang yung akin. So usually white blue lang gets the CU color. So open a new file, a blank document, click that one. So as you can see here on top, we have the different tabs. We have the file, the home, insert, draw, design. We have layout, references, mailings, review, view, help. Okay, so yung tabs depende yan sa settings or minsan sa versions ng Microsoft Office Word ninyo. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is go to home page. So, dito na, home tab. Dito nyo makikita, we have the clipboard, we have the font group, itong paragraph, styles, editing, Adobe Acrobat, and add-ins. So, for the font style, if you want to change the font style, click this one. Example, Times New Roman. For the font size 12. Okay, if you want to make it example, let's try. My autobiography. So let's try. If you want to make it bold, you can do it. If you want to do it italic or underlined, ito lang yung i-click nila. Okay. What else? So again, for your autobiography, that is 200 words, properly indented. So when we say indented, nakatab siya. You click the tab in your keyboard and then you start writing your autobiography. Example, I am Juan de la Cruz. So again, 200 words. And kayo na ang bahala kung anong gusto nyong i-share. Okay, so if you want to make it double spacing, highlight niyo yung sinulat ninyo or in-encode ninyo. In the paragraph part, dito ninyo makita itong parang double arrow, line and paragraph spacing. Click that one and then you click 2. Ibig sabihin, naka-double spacing na yan. So, automatic na siya naka-double space. You save your file. If you want to save your file, you can click the save icon or you can go to file, save as, and then example, sa desktop, my autobiography, and then for the file name, last name yun lang, De La Cruz, and then save, and then send it to me in soft copy. If you have questions, PM nyo lang. So this is for the insert tab. So if you want to insert pictures, but since this is an essay, so you cannot insert pictures, no? This is the draw tab, design. the layout for the size of the paper. So that's an A4. And then the support rate margin is 1 inches. 1 inch. So ito, wala na yan. Hindi na yan magagamit. So sa home lang.